Let's go.
Gear.
Gear changer.
Gear changer.
Gear changer. Okay, it's here. Okay. 9 gears. Okay. This is 9 gears. We are talking in Quadvelo. Allora, yes. Okay. Allora, it's Italian.
Harder. Allora is harder. Hard is easier.
Okay. So this is the brake now.
Yes.
Okay, here you said that these lights and that's a temperature and everything what you need. On off is to switch on the computer or LCD. Yes, okay, Quadvelo. We are inside. You can see here it's a motor or assistance. Yes, there in the front. Yes.
Accumulator.
Accumulator. Yes, motor is there. Accumulator is there or battery. Yes, okay.
Here is the kezelőszerv, nem tudom.
Kezelő.
Index.
Index? Aha, you mean indicator.
Right.
Indicator right and left, yes, indicator,
Yes.
okay. Aha, okay, Trobla, okay, yes. Horn.
Fake. Brake.
That's another brake, yes.
Yeah.
So we have 2 brakes. One for
yeah.
this wheel, one for this wheel,
No.
yes. No, the back
Rear
wheels.
and back.
They're on the backs, okay. The wheels are,
And
the
here
brakes.
the button is
Yes.
segítés. Nem tudom.
Okay, the button, yes.
Hungarian.
For what is that?
Ez a power.
Uh-huh.
This no.
This
off,
no, okay.
Of the motor.
Off the motor, okay.
Easy,
this is-
medium,
Okay.
hard, and red is better.
That's alright, you know, you have 3 levels of
Yeah,
assistance.
medium.
Yes, medium. Okay, I understand then. Okay. So that's it then. And yes, the mirrors on the right.